Hello, welcome back to Learning with Lori. I'm Lori Luna, owner and founder of Fun Gauging Learning. Today we're going to learn how to create a basic Google sheet. It's a spreadsheet. By now, I'm hoping you have a Google account set up, so let's get started. We're going to go over to the waffle, the 9 little dots, it says Google Apps. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to come down to Sheets. Don't panic if you don't see it. You might just have to scroll up and down a little bit. And there you have it. Click on it. You are going to create a blank document, or sheet in this case. And always, the first thing you want to do is you want to name your file. And I am going to name mine Book Collection. Okay, now you'll notice it said save to drive. Last edit was seconds ago. Google Sheets, as long as you are connected to the internet, will update automatically, and you should not have to worry about losing anything. These are called cells, and in my first cell I am going to put the title of the book, author, publication, maybe the number of pages, and comments. Okay, chances are my title is not going to fit in this itty bitty little space. So just take your cursor until you see the double arrows and pull it to how far you want. Same thing with author, publication, pages should be pretty good, and then comments. Okay. Now I have a large library, so I want to change my first sheet to fiction. And because I don't want to have to keep typing title, author, publication, page, and comments, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to duplicate it. And then I can go ahead and rename this to nonfiction. Okay, and then I can go back to fiction. Now I might want to change the color. Then you can do that by clicking on the little down arrow. Okay, and I am going to put Trixie Belden in the Gatehouse Mystery. Okay, it's still bleeding over a little bit. The author was Julie Campbell. I don't know how many pages. Okay, and this is number 1 of 39 in a series. Last edit was seconds ago. So we have named our file, we have edited our file, and we have made a mistake in our file. So what I can do is take my cursor and highlight all of this, cut it, and paste it in where it belongs. We've named our sheets, and we've changed the color of the sheets. Next week we're going to focus on freezing the top row and the first column. But until then, thank you for learning with Lori. Have fun practicing, and take care.